Caymus began its first production year in 1972. It was basically a mom, pop, and son operation with myself and my parents. I was 1 year out of high school and was given an offer by my parents to join them in the creation of a small commercial winery. So I went to work in 1971, pruning vines alongside my father. 1 year later, we were crushing grapes and producing Caymus wine. The 73 wine that we produced really told us where we were going and what our property could produce. So from there, we increased our focus on Cabernet Sauvignon, producing dark, opulent, supple, luxurious Cabernet, which we still do today.
I think my earliest memories here would be maybe 5 years old, thinking we're stomping on grapes. Every summer we worked at the winery on the bottling line or whatever. It was the easy job.
I've just always loved being kind of my dad's sidekick and learning from him alongside my brother. I've learned from my dad too to be very hands-on and innovative.
About 1990, we began to produce a different type of Cabernet in a Napa style, picked from riper grapes with somewhat lower acidity. They're rich and texturous, almost chocolate-like in their texture. That's what Caymus is known for today.